All right. Back to an interesting area this morning. Let's see. Yeah. Somehow. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ooh. Excuse me. Okay. Just an announcement, guys. You can do your morning meetup in the member hangout now. Your morning planning session, guys. Just make sure to spread the word. Do that in the member. Do that in the member hangout now. All right. What an interesting area market came back to, huh? Man, I wanted to get back in that 6E last night. I knew that was going to drop. It hit my target exactly going into the close. That was money. Yeah, like I said, that was a play I wanted to do. Yeah. Just trying to make sure my charts are on the right accounts that I want them on. Interesting. RTY just won't stop going up, huh? Ooh, big opportunity in CL today. It says 326. I mean, I don't know if yeah. Also, I haven't done the new version of Ninja yet. Have you? That's always something that's like, I don't know if I want to do that. Let somebody else take the heat on that one. Huh? What's that? I don't. I can't remember what the. Let's see what I don't know. I don't really care. I just know it keeps popping up, and I'm gonna wait for somebody else to tell me that it's okay to use. Yeah, yeah. Let somebody else tell me that works okay. That's fine. All right. It's 8:30. News. News. Huh? How about that? Let's see what mine is. Version is 8152 as well. All right. Well, if it's stable, then I'll roll over. I'll update it next time it asks me. Okay. Good morning. Yeah, unemployment. I think somebody priced that in yesterday with the craziness. I know I'm thinking there's going to be an opportunity on GC at some point. CL, we might have missed her long. Yeah, we actually probably missed her long on CL. Dang, I should have been looking at it a little bit better. I looked at the daily and I was like, we had a big opportunity here on CL and just whiff on that. Just a big whiff. Well, there's a bigger buy on CL on that above that ledge there. If this makes a bigger head and shoulders, I might identify like a specific risk up here. That could go. I mean, that's a big daily pullback. Yeah, I'm eyeballing GC right now. I think GC is a really good opportunity. You'd have to try to get um, maybe a little buy right here if this candle stays up. I'd entertain that. I need my pullback on 6E, but I don't know if I'm gonna get that. This candle's gotta stay up. It's not gonna stay up. That's a big opportunity on GC as well. Could it go back a little bit further? Big daily pullbacks. All right, look, man, four candles in a row. I'm gonna put a buy stop in. Let's see what this looks like on a smaller tick chart. I don't like it. No, it does. If this is the only wick, yep, never mind. Screw that. Never mind. What? 500? I'm on 500 tick right now. Oh, maybe I should up the tick because it's a little bit higher volume than it usually is. I like the 500 patterns better. I mean 700 works probably. It does work. You just get less signals, I guess, on 700. A few less signals. It's probably true. It's just a lot of times I can get the smaller candles on the 500 tick, and I don't always get the smaller candles like this. Huh? It's supposed to be. Oh wow. Hold on a minute. I don't know why it's not streaming. Huh. Oh. Hold on a second. I know what's going on. Better. It'll come up in a second. Yeah. Do I take a risk on that one? I probably should have gotten in already, huh? That's probably a tick tight. I don't see. Yeah, something like that. What? 019 is what I'm looking at. Oh yeah, no, it's not done. Okay, well in that case I'll get my stuff ready to go and I'll be back here in a little bit. Yeah, let's come back in a little bit. I'm gonna get some stuff ready. Um. Uh. That's. I don't know. I don't know if I call that a miss. Yeah, would have been a nice trade, but um, I think I have the wrong. I have the wrong. See here. Oh, that's wrong. Huh? Oh, the charts came back weird. How do I set these to be 80 and show 80 and 20 on the stochastics always? That's something. No, that's what I'm saying. It's got to be in a property somehow. Oh, auto scale checked off. I'm in the indicator prop. Uh huh. Oh, I don't want to keep doing that. That's crazy. It should just automatically do it. No. I know that's weird. And mine's always done that, and now it's not for some reason. Wow, odd, odd. It's so weird too. And I switched to a different screen, so that I mean, it's just so. Why would the screen change the settings of that? Why? Why? All right. Let's make some money. What do you think about a short up here? Man, I told you it was a bottom yesterday, didn't I? All the way back up. That was definitely the bottom yesterday. I gotta play with these settings on this new monitor. It's a weird. It came with like this weird hinge that it can rotate up and down, left and right. And the left and right has a stabilizer, but the up and down doesn't, so it just stays down. And I'm like, that doesn't make any sense to me. I know. I think it came. I think the package is missing something. Is what I think. I'm gonna send something to Amazon and say it's missing a piece. I didn't really. Hey, if it's missing one piece and they send me a brand new monitor, I'll take that too. That'd be nice. I'm gonna do that. I'll do that today. See if we uh I don't know. I think it's like 32 or something like that. Yeah. Which again doesn't make sense why it wouldn't have an up and down swivel. Like so you can stop at a certain angle. Makes no sense. I put a piece of cardboard between the between the swivel and the monitor just to keep it at the angle I wanted. So weird. Oh well. All the way back up too. Not a lot to do right now, is there? I mean, press the buy button, I guess. Wait until the open. I mean, we've had a damn good week, so I'm not like. I think from now on the rest of the week, only nothing but A plus trades for me. What do you think, Paul? If we get up again like we did yesterday, then I might take a risk or two. But it's just damn, it's been a good week. Yeah, I know it's been a great week. Uh, I mean, I think I ended one day Monday with one account red. That was it. Everything's been green all week. I had one account red on Monday. That was it. Everything ended green the rest of Tuesday and Wednesday. So it's been a good week, Tater. Come on, Westy. Come join us in the Discord, Westy. All right, what do you guys want to say about Paul now? Dirty, rotten scoundrel. Uh, uh. I think that would be time. Send my hands and wait for further ones. Smaller. Do you realize smaller sixers? Oh, Tom. Yeah. Remind me. When we come back from break, what I think I might do today is go into the member hangout with you guys and and actually record that lesson, and then have the guys post it in whatever training section we have. We have a training section, I think, right? Red wines and member hangout. Can we get red wine in the actual? Is it? We have a don't we have Westy? There he is. Come on, Westy, join us on Discord, buddy. Thanks, Yeti Trades, for doing that. Come on in, Westy. Ticks. Um, don't we have that? Where's that video posted? Yeti trades. I'm not seeing a channel for. I'm trying to find. Don't we have like an education channel, or do we have a channel for me posting like videos on what we're doing, who we are, hello, who we are, welcome, rules, general chat, apart from discount, winning trades, pop, prop certs, membership. I don't know. Is Yeti still here? I want to try to make a noise like a Yeti. Alright, I'm gonna kick red wine out of here. I don't know how to like. Alright, maybe he'll come back into the main channel when he's. Yeti, where are you? Do we have what's the channel that people are sending me messages asking for some training videos, so I want to make some. Do we have a place? Can I just give those to you, or do we have a place we can post those for people? Let me see. I maybe I'm just not seeing the education channel. Oh, okay. I just didn't have that expanded. Sorry about that. Tech help, trading setup, education. Okay, cool. All right. Yeah, Tom. Remind me after we take a break this morning. I'll do that live for you guys. That way, good question though. And that's something that people need to do, and I'll do it for. The question is shoot, where's your message at? So the question is when we're looking at larger tick charts, and then so you have a like a stochastic or overbought, oversold on the larger tick chart, but you have the um, opposing uh, ticks on the smaller tick chart. What is the thought on that, and how do you utilize the smaller tick charts versus the larger tick charts? So I'll go through the thought process. I think Paul, you want to do that with me? Would you mind? Is if the smaller tick charts and larger tick charts supposed? I mean, the simple answer is larger tick chart trumps all. That's the simple answer. But uh, the question is when the smaller tick charts oppose the bigger tick charts, what do you do? And then there's I guess a backup to that question. Bingo. It can be utilized. I think let's teach this in the member area or member hangout. But I mean, yeah, you took a lot of small losses too. Yeah, I mean, you give up smaller wins and smaller losses, a lot of those, for less trades on the bigger tick chart with higher probability. You just press a button. You just press a freaking button. Uh, what? What? Oh, I'm trying to do some stuff here. All right. Last off, blast down on me. All right, maybe. Hmm, here's what my plan is. What do you think, Paul? I just wanna. I'm gonna be extremely cautious this morning. Again, due to the fact that it's been two things. Been a great week. The other thing is this coming right back into that daily range. Is it fun on the NQ here? So you got the same thing on the ES. I just think that especially on the ES and NQ, you're probably going to see uh, some retail uh, play, some big boys screwing with retail. So um, I'm gonna do what the big tick charts say, and that's it this morning. What do you think, Paul? Because I mean, it's just like there's not a lot to do. I mean, yeah, we could say that we could take these shorts, but in the market that just ran up to the top, you maybe think shorts, but the way it just bounced off the bottom yesterday and ran all the way back up through Globex, I just I need big time confluence. I need some big oversold on the bigger tick charts, um, and especially in QES. Um, I'm gonna look for a buy opportunity on CL because I think that's just a great opportunity with that pullback there on the daily. I think the same thing on the GC. Nice little pullback, not as much as the CL. And all I need is a rally to sell the euro. May have been it right there. Shoot. Oh my goodness. Should we just go in a euro right now? I did so well on it yesterday. Might as well, right? Okay. No, Paul didn't tell me yes, so I'm not gonna do it. Let's look at let's listen on the euro. Yeah. We're pretty deep down now, so we could probably need to wait for it to go a little bit lower now. Maybe catch a. It is. It is. It is. It would be targets off and stuff like that, but we'll pass on it. Again, we nothing wrong with caution, especially after this week. I don't want to screw it up Thursday and Friday. I just want to be again. I'm not. How did somebody help me with this while I'm looking at this? Somebody tell me how to fix this stupid stochastic range so it shows 20 and 80 the whole time. I don't know what just because I put it on a new monitor, it changed. I don't know how to fix it. Two normal dudes, not two tech dudes. Somebody please help me. Okay. Yeah, but I want to see. I want it to stay fixed. I want it to stay fixed though, Gray. You see what I'm saying? I mean, I could do that for make it a little for today. Yeah, I just don't like that. But it still doesn't fix it. Still doesn't fix the like this. But that doesn't fix the issue that it should stay static. Uh, yeah, like the other stochastics have a fixed. Oh well, we'll get on it. We'll figure it out later. I'll just take off stochastics and re-add them. That's my solution. Actually, let's just do that real quick. Remove. Okay. Indicators. See if that fixes it. It's just so weird. Every time I change monitors or something, um, I don't even know if that's still fixed. And I gotta change my colors back to what I want. But we're getting a trade coming up here soon, so that's Paul. This is odd that the 340. No, it's odd that the 314.5. Yeah, it's odd that the very rare occasion that the NQ is giving a signal before the ES here on the bigger tick chart. Look at this, starting to get oversold. I, that I I if this sets up, I mean, I think I like this as a buy. Maybe a buy stop at like 93.25. Is it starting to hook? Hold on. What? Look this. Oh, I was waiting. Let's confirm with each other before we jump in trades. I'm trying to be cautious today. Remember, not just jump in. All right, moving on to the next account. No, okay. All right, let's think about this for a second, though. For real. Now the ES is starting to get oversold. Now we could probably look at a buy stop above that wick, is what I'm thinking, and that's above R1 as well. So I still like it. I think this is a decent buy stop. Oh no, am I in the right? Okay. If it hits, you see what I'm saying? Let's both agree on these trades today before we take one. You cool with that, Paul? It's got to put, yeah, it's got to hold here. If this candle doesn't hold, which I mean I would be okay with a deeper pullback anyway. I'd be okay with it coming back down to this zone-ish area I have, and right around that 89 on the ES. That would line up with a, yeah. I really want to see a little bit deeper of a pullback. And bigger, the smaller tick chart's giving a buy signal. I think I like it. What do you think? Now if it forms, yay, yay. Okay, let's agree on trades. I'm not gonna take a trade unless you say yes today. That's the point I'm trying to make. if you don't if you don't say yes today, yeah, that's what I'm looking at here on the ES as well. Um, if this holds up, I like it. I think if it holds up here, that becomes a buy. I think it does, doesn't it? If it holds up, that didn't hold up. Never mind. New candle's down. All right, you're right. Let's wait. Yeah, it's gonna push down a little bit further. I mean, actually, that becomes a break of the structure on the downside, right? So for a short, that becomes a short if anybody wants to short that, but I don't have the brass for that right now. I'll take it easy. I had here. Look, this is crazy. So the shorts I'm making today from yesterday's trades, 30 minutes in, RTY winner. 59 minutes in, RTY winner. 44 minutes in, ES winner. 159 minutes in, CL winner. 6E winner. ES winner. NQ winner. RTY winner. ES, NQ, and RTY all shorts winners. That's enough trades for a day. And then I had that one loser that obviously I'm not going to make a short out of because that doesn't sell. But that's called a good day trading, right? That set up. Just ran without me, didn't it? Oh well. I knew that was gonna be a long at some point. Pay attention, Brian. Pay attention. We missed that. We missed that trade. I know. That's silliness. Yeah, I'm not like. I don't feel playing around. Just playing around. Not really. Not really anything exciting on the RTY right now. Uh, Yellow and red. I meant green and red. Oh well. Well, turns out it wasn't that big of a miss, huh? Kind of want to look at what my miss was here. Is this CL? That's the miss. That's what I was waiting on. That buy opportunity. We'll get another one. We're gonna be able to make some money on CL today. What'd you say? Well, let's look around. I mean, damn, I should have gotten that 6E. I knew that 6E was down. Bounce off something down here. Just give me one more chance to get in 6E. Just one more, and I'll take it. Well, that's kind of a little bit of a sign that we should be looking for longs on the indices here, the bigger ones, NQ and ES. Obviously, all three top are in bigger uptrends on the bigger tick charts. Man, all right, 60 was a miss on me. Got to when I see that, I gotta just jump in and take it. That's silly. What? Yeah, I know. That's what I was talking about. Silliness. Should just jump right in that. I don't know why I hesitated on that. Yeah. CL. That's the only. I mean, the CL long is like what I wanted. That was the want trade. How am I down $100? I haven't even took a trade. No. How the heck am I down $100? I haven't touched anything. It didn't say that earlier. What'd you say? Oh, because you had that loss. What in the world? Yeah, I am. I'm going right now. All right, let's see. Uh, 115, 3. Oh, oh no. Where did that come from? Oh, okay, I know what it was. I had a so I guess on your losing trade, somehow I had my NQ chart set to the RTY. uh, instead of NQ, and I guess it saved me quite a few $100s. Oh yeah, I want to. Yeah, that's. Yep. Yeah, the right key, baby, but the wrong key hole. Ooh, CL set up for a short. GC, come down here and give me another long. Just do something that I can trade on 6C. I'll take you short whenever I get a chance. Do we want to entertain a short up here? I mean, it's just past us. Do we want to entertain a short? This is chop. I mean, this is. No, NQ. Sorry, NQ and ES. Okay. Yeah, ES has a lot of. There's a lot of junk here on the ES. If the ES is junk, usually I just forget about any of the top three. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. It's just let's just wait for a deep pullback. It'll break out at some point. Let's see. Is there any other news this morning? Did we look at that already? How do I go to a single day on my Forex Factory calendar? It's on a no, but it's on a week. I don't know how do I change that to. How do I change it to today? There we go. Canadian CPI. Nothing today. All right. Well, we were probably gonna have end up with a very slow day, which will not upset me at all. Yep, yep. Let's just sit on the sidelines until something perfect happens. Yeah. All right. Here's what I want. I'm gonna be patient. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna keep my eye on. I need to set alerts the right way because if I get 6E back up anywhere up here, I'm selling that. If I can get GC anywhere, what like I wanted it down here earlier, but the way it formed was that's not the trade I wanted. This was hard to get in, but that's the structure I want to see in the GC long. Um, and just again, CL after this wick formed, I should have had to buy a stop there on CL and would be riding that wave, but oh well. So pull back on CL. I don't know if I can entertain the short on CL, but I'll do it. I mean, charts. If it goes up a little bit higher up where it came from, and we get something with a couple wicks on it on CL, I'd look at that trade. Get it up a little bit higher, get something with a couple wicks on it. All right. Well, um, I just think we're not gonna try to break out on the upside, are we? I mean, but here's the only thing: is if the NQ, look at these dailies again. If the NQ breaks this box again, breaks this little box here, I think shapes. What if I want to draw a square? I mean, this is just like beep, maybe even all the way over to here. I mean, if it breaks out of that, I think we kind of have to buy something. You get that same little deal here on the ES. I just that's or we just wait for the smaller tick chart pull back and buy it. How about that? Yeah, I mean, yeah. I mean, I'm just saying if it breaks out on the upside without us and doesn't give us a good buy signal, what's the plan for that? I The short is it probably a playable thing below 58.99 maybe. What's that? Um, 59, 58, 58.99. I mean, I think I'd prefer the long, but the chart. I mean, and the small tick chart says it's setting up too. I mean that's a pretty clear ledge, right? Hmm. Mhm. I think I might. That's something I probably would take a look at. I don't. And I'm looking at the smaller tick charts on the NQ and ES. I, I just do I want to trade the smaller tick chart this morning? I mean, you got a good spot coming down here. I just again, Paul. I mean, if you're cool with it, I'm gonna wait on the big tick charts today. I don't want to. I'm okay. I took enough trades. Yeah, I think if I get 6 good trades today, I'll be happy. 6 A+ trades. What do you think? Like, no, we don't need the volume of trades that we've had all week. I don't think. All right, you agree with me? Yes or no on the CL short? We got to make a decision right now. All right, let's do it. The low there was 58.99. It's not quite overbought either. It's not A+. Let's not do it. What do you think? Not A+. Don't do it. All right, cool. Well, if this candle closes up, it would be not validated, which is probably going to close up with 70 ticks left. All right, ES oversold. Possible long here. Maybe a buy stop. That that might be a trade. That's maybe a buy stop above this wick right here. I'm gonna put one in. Well, let's see. Now we clearly have a candle there. Yeah, that high is 850. It'd be cool if this made a little double bottom. I would definitely be interested in it. Yeah, if that hold, I'm gonna put. I like this. I like this. And then that means we'd be able to do that on the NQ as well. Somewhere like maybe a little bit lower on the NQ, a couple more ticks. If that holds, that should be a trade. I mean, I think I'm a tick too tight. That should be a trade. Might have a little. I didn't get my target. How in the world? Uh, I wasn't tight enough on my NQ target. My NQ, I guess. It's got my target though. There we go, buddy. That's how far? All right, let me look at this and see something. Um, 1 hour and 32 minutes. Hey, we did good. Look at us. We did good. We done good. What's the day? The 15th. Little conversation. Don't let it get my time. Oh, you played that account? You played that account? I was like, you turkey. All right. Whammy. Whammy. Up on the stops. Up on the stops. Let's go a little bit further up on stops. We got, I mean, all right. What am I looking at daily? No, oh God, this might run. I mean, uh, I don't have. Oh shoot, yeah. If it breaks out of this right now, we got a uh, huge target up here. If it can get out of there on the NQ. So let me look at that. And then manage to trade here into some profits like here. And then a couple more ticks up on the ES stop I think is appropriate. And then I also think the ES has a bigger, if we can push up, it's got a bigger target as well up back here. Oh, poor you making money. I had a mismanaged stop yesterday. I think I'm a couple ticks too tight here on the NQ stop. I think I'm just a couple ticks too tight. Well, I would have taken the yeah, I would have taken the target at 6A flat, whatever. I was a little too tight on the stop there. I was a little too tight, but whatever. That's a good trade. Oh, maybe the NQ keeps me in there. There you go. That's easy trading, people. Easy trading. That is just like, yeah, a little bit over. Hey, whoa, it's gonna keep me in on the NQ. Look at, come on, stay in, baby. Come on. There we go. Stay in, stay in. Go. Keep me in. Keep me in. Keep me in. Come on. You could do it, NQ, and it's over. It might be. I mean, I think if I need to be 90, 75, 90. Yeah, never mind. Never mind. Yeah. All right. Four to go. Four more trades to go, and I'll be done for Thursday. Done for Thursday. Yeah. Let me rotate these. Let me rotator them. I'm gonna put that one that's negative 100 on the ES here, and put this one on. What? What in the wide world sports going on? Okay, there we go. Rotating rotators. Rotating rotators. Look at my, maybe look at my control center. I still don't know. Yes. Use that account. Okay, let's do this one more time. Patience. All right. I think that's one of those days where we take a trade, take an hour break, come back. Take a trade, take an hour break, come back. No, I mean, no. What say you? That was easy. Nice, Jock Cap. Nice job, Cap. Anybody listening online, come join us on the Discord. You'll get to play around with the members. Anybody on YouTube, come. Yeah, make some money on it. Come hang out with the members. Let's see, 99 bucks times 12. Just under $1,200. You almost pay for your membership in that one trade. For the year. And you get to hang out with members, get some private education stuff, all kinds of good stuff here in the Discord. I'm gonna do that today. You want to join me with it? Did you say you were gonna join me with it? Doing a little education session in the member hangout and record it. I'm gonna record it after we do our meeting. Yeah, yeah. I was gonna say right after that. Yeah. Thanks to Tom. Everybody thank Tom for that one. If he hadn't reached out to me, you probably wouldn't be getting it. Thank you, Tom. They don't like you, Tom. Never mind. Nobody's gonna say thank you to you. Posting winning trades. There you go, Lulu. Good job. Whoa. I saw that level. I like that, Lulu. Your trade. Good trade. That's a good one. I should have captured my screenshotted mine while I was in it. Screenshotted. 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 Thank you, Tom. You guys should thank Tom for real. That's a good. It'll be a good session. What do you do when the smaller tick chart and the bigger tick chart opposes? And what's the? I'll go back to it again. So we'll talk about. We're going to talk about that later today. When the bigger tick chart, put post it in general chat, Tom, if you don't mind your question. But don't call me Ryan again. Call me Brian this time. Here it is. Ryan, you wanted me to remind you about the video. Tick chart, how much weight does it have over the smaller tick charts? All the weight. I have seen it where it's overbought, large tick charts overbought, smaller tick charts oversold. I think it would be time set on hands. That could be one thing, but in a trending market, we're going to talk about using the bigger tick charts, smaller tick charts, in trending markets, and like yesterday's range bound type of area. And how to create confluence between the two tick charts. I think that would be the answer to the question on that. All right, back to trading, Paul. Do we want to look for a CL short again up here? The smaller tick chart looks like garbage on CL. Like absolute garbage. You had the so you had the I know that's what I'm looking at. You had the run down from here earlier, right at the open too. And you got this wick, and you're overbought. Give that a give that. I think we try that, huh? That fits the rules from the 89. Overbought. Sell stop? Yes or no? Oh, is that your answer? uh, I know. I'd rather have the long. Let me think about this. I'm just putting it in, thinking about it for a second, and we got plenty of time. Let's see what happens with this candle. If this candle finishes inside this structure, I'm gonna leave the sell stop. Let's do the sell. Let's put it in. Let's just put it in and hold on. Never mind. Let's see. Let's set low as yeah, somewhere around 59.10. This candle. We'll see what happens with the candle. It's got 30 ticks. Well, we can have it in right now, but we're probably gonna end up canceling it in 100 ticks. Oh, okay. All right. Well, let's get the wick on top. If it stays down, 50 ticks left. If it stays down, gives me a little wiki. A wiki time. I'll take the trady weighty. D Nice would love me talking like this if she's in. Wiki time. Where's D Nice at? Is she listening? She got her coffee yet? Wiki time. All right, it didn't do it. That's a pass. That's a hard pass when the wicks are on the bottom, don't you think? No, that's it. Only A plus setups, man. That's what we said this morning. Look at this too. We just ran right into got the one good run in the morning off the perfect setups, and settled into chop again. Garbage. I had a suspicion seeing, and I said it first thing. I was like, seeing this run back up. I am not. You remember just a whole hour and a half ago when I got on, I was like, I'm just not sold on this market being a really tradable market with that with this kind of move. Like your classic. What was it? It was a what's it called? It's called the uh, market maker bicycle. Is that what it is? Yeah, it's a classic bicycle. It goes into chop after that, or sell cycle. Is this which one is it? The U is a sell cycle. That's a bicycle. Yeah, that's classic. Just usually end up with shit after that. So stay away from it. So market maker, I have to look that back up. It's been a long time since I've looked at that. It's a it's a parabolic. Um, it comes in a parabolic. I know it's parabolic. That's all I know. Uh, you get this parabolic move. Wagyu beef. Now you're gonna make me hungry. Oh, it is Thursday, man. Maybe I go get my. Well, I'm not gonna do a peanut butter burger. I'm gonna do just the classic American. You can have my weight. 12 pounds down since I started. No, no, since I started. 2 weeks now. 12 pounds in 2 weeks, and the muscle mass is getting. It's there's a there's a. I'm gonna wait till a month to send you another update picture side by side. Uh-huh. But there is a huge difference, dude. It's like the strength is going up, weight's going off. Just like you daily, I feel stronger on a daily basis. It's crazy. The point is it works. I'm not trading this. I'm just BSing with you. So, well, we could have again probably looked at the CL short off that wick from the level. That one, eh. I didn't, yeah, I know this shit doesn't sell what we're doing right now, but I know that what we're doing right now doesn't sell, but it's a smart way to trade. You know, it's just if you really wanted the CL, you'd have to do it. Where? Oh, on the low side? Oh, maybe. Okay. Now you're talking me into something that I could actually take a look at. Thank you. Okay. Now that's something that would be. And that would mean that it probably want to run that way too. Yeah. All right, I'll try it on one NQ or ES. Which one? If it happens. If it happens. Let's see where that Globex is. Sorry, well, it would already have passed that Globex ledge on the NQ relative to the ES. Yeah. So that you'd probably have a little better chance. Yeah, I think. I think the ES would give us a better shot to get a target without the volatility. All right, I'm told on it. You can count me in on that if it happens to happen. Happens to happen. Happens to happen. Happens to. Go ahead and have it in. If it breaks down, it should. I mean, this is a Crable morning. So, well, all right, no, but here, think about this, sir. It is a Crable morning. I don't care what you say. No matter where, no matter where we come from in this small of a range on the ES or the NQ, we could take that breakout. And I just said this morning, let's not take a breakout trade. Yeah. Yeah. Man, that CL short. It was a little harder to get in on the smaller tick chart. There wasn't a lot. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I mean, so if you take these candles away, okay, that that looks like a setup, but that candle formed just on top of it. And again, at the same time here, as I tell you this, I think there's a huge buy opportunity on GC and CL. And I think we just get a little bit more of a rally here on 6E, and I'll get back in that short train on with it. Are you have your sell stop in? What's your price? Are you doing the NQ? You'd have to be okay. You don't want to do both. Well, it'd have to break below the 89 on the NQ, which is that probably not a horrible thing if it did that. But yeah, that's still a bigger risk, huh? Yeah, yeah. I take a pivot. I take a pivot run on the ES. That'd make me happy. A little pivot run. uh, um, all right. Let's keep our eye on CL long. I just I really think that's a big opportunity down here on the CL long. Let's see if I can find this level on CL. No, I have it there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Even back down to even back down to 86 here. The DA86. DA86. The DA86. DA86. There's just a slow build of contracts going on, or a slow getting out of the shorts. I mean, getting out of the longs. Hell, that might be it, man. It may have been just getting out of the longs up here. They may have just been pushing it up to get out of those longs. I mean, I don't disagree with you. I'm just saying, like, it it kind of just looks that way. It looks like they've been pushing, uh, and just yeah, yeah. I still think I prefer the long on it. I'm like 58, yeah, somewhere maybe even lower than the last buy. I wanted to go higher. I really wanted up here around this too. That's where I really wanted it. And you're getting to the bottom on the daily. Getting that. You're getting a little far down. Although it has broken some pretty decent. Like it's sitting at a level from the past right now. Um, if I had gotten back in Globex, I would do it. That's my answer. Had I gotten back in and rode this wave, I would actually still be in it. But I had some shit I had to deal with yesterday, so I couldn't get back in on the Globex. So I did want to do that though yesterday. I really wanted to get back in that short. I'd probably still be in it, to be honest with you. What? That's cool. All right. Well, next time. Well, next time. Yeah. I was leaving this RTY short, but again, I think I want the long. Even though we said we'd take A plus setups, that did kind of look like a for the RTY that was pretty close to an A setup. Pretty close, but again, slow markets too. This is like it's almost torture. It makes me want to cancel this order and take a nap. Yeah, yeah. I concur. I should have concurred. What was the other name of the dog you said Tick Squeak looks like? Papillon. Papillon. That's what I want. Papillon. Been trying to. I don't know why I'm thinking about. I get it. Well, so how I think my yeah. So this might be it. Might be what my friend had was a Papillon. I would do. See if I can. Might talk to Boston to try that at some point. I don't know. I'm a big dog guy, so it's like yeah, it's just like the size of your hand. It's the size of her poop's the size of Grace's food. The pellet, her kibble. In the sink, in like a gallon jug. What'd you say again? Sorry, I was a little distracted there. Did we try the CL long? Oh, it's set up. It is set up. It is set up. It is set up. It got down. Yeah, I'm putting a buy stop in, and they want to buy the CL. I'm willing to risk that right there. I just see this as a big buying opportunity, and if it gets me, it gets me. If it bites me, it bites me. I wanted to go down. What did I say? The low there was 58.90. So I said around 58.90. So it was exactly 58.90. Was that low? Yeah, I did too. All right, go now. Go, 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 baby, go, 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 baby, go. And that is 2 hours. Whoa, there's your breakout on the Crable on the long side. Where was the nine? Where it's right there. Uh, where's the um, the NQ is really far away from it. I'm not doing that, Paul. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm even, and this isn't usually me. I agree with you on that. Sorry, I'm not trying to cut you off, but I'm talking about let's talk about the trade we're actually in. I'm not even like I'm in the mood today where I'm like not even like 100% sold on this CL trade, which I normally am. It's a good setup. It is a good setup, right? I mean, It checks all the boxes. It is a true setup. Oversold, checks all the boxes. That's an A plus. I call it an A plus trade. I call that an A plus trade. I ain't scared. I ain't scared, boy. I ain't scared. No, it's a legitimate setup. I may have been a couple ticks late. I know I was a couple ticks late. I should have had it at maybe 59 even. Maybe. What? Oh, what's that high? So 59 should have been the entry. Good. Me too. I told you I was a couple ticks late on my entry. Take both targets like right now and then get down to one contract. All right, risk-free trade now. If it runs, it runs. If not, it's still positive trade. Oh, all right. There's a little tiny winner. Little tiny winner. This slow price action. These slow price action days. I mean, you almost might if this bar stays up, you almost might put a buy stop back in at 59 if it stays up. Let's see what happens when this bar finishes. I'm not afraid of the long on CL. Is the point I'm trying to make. And if you look at a smaller tick chart here, check this out too. If you look at a smaller tick chart, that was just a bounce off the 89. That's all it was. And there was a level here, a smaller level, but um, it got cold here yesterday. It got down to like 57. It was freezing. You know I'm being smartass, right? He's like, shut your mouth. Well, I mean, see, I'm still on the long train on the CL. I'm telling you that for real. Um, if you see a setup. Guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Still like the CL long, man. Still like it. Okay, I know it is, but I can't. Do it if you want it. I'm not gonna do it. Yeah. Well, if you keep looking any longer, you're gonna miss it. Or is it 9:30 high? It just didn't it just do it? It did it already. I can't do it. What I can do is I can put a. Can I ask you about the CL real quick? Is there a reason we passed on that? Because I didn't push for it. Is that the reason? Damn it! I had my wikis on the bottom. I had my wikis on the bottom. Ah, sugar britches. Yeah, I don't know. See, sugar britches. What's happening? Uh, CL. Dang it. Somebody may have gotten that CL trade. The Yeti trades. 58.99. No, this one. This one's good. No, I like this one. I just like a doofus didn't get in it. Ah, that's silly, man. I keep talking about that CL too. Maybe I benefit somebody. Did I benefit somebody on that? Because I keep saying take the longs on the CL. Hopefully, I benefit somebody for that. It wasn't in vain. Hopefully, I benefited somebody. Benefactor for a winning CL trade there. That was a trade I wanted to. I kept looking at it and I got sidetracked again. Yeah, that's what I can't do. This is why I can't do this. I can't do subpar trades on a day like today. I just can't do it. Well, yeah, I mean, I got a blockbuster week so far. I mean, I got down 150 in this one account because of that stupid little NQ mishap this morning. But other than that, really, other than that, I should have taken the CL trade again. Those are the only 4 trades that I even was interested in this morning. Oh, 5 with the CL long here too. So 5, 2 on CL, 3 on the big indices. So I mean that's it. I can't be upset about that. What I can be is remind myself constantly to take the freaking trade when you see it. You knew you wanted CL. You knew you wanted it like this. You knew you wanted this setup. Take it. Take it. Oh well. On to the next one. On to the next one. You want to look at different something else? Look at this is where I start getting like ADD and look around. It's fun to look at the YM and do nothing. I mean, but here's the deal. How many times we see something like this in the morning, and then in the afternoon we end up with some really good trades. So I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful for the afternoon session being good trading. I say do it now. I mean, why? Guys, all right. Well, I thought we planned on doing it at 11. Yeah. Um, I say we just do it now. I say we just do it now. Come back later. Everything is sleepy today. The the only miss here is the only real miss I see is the CL long. That's it. It's the only real miss on my part this morning. So I feel good for that. Being being one miss is not horrible. Yeah. Hey guys, Yeti Trades, Gray, you guys want to do that call now? Go on break. You guys want to do that as soon as we get done with our call? If you guys want to hop over to Member Hangout, listen, you want to do it now? Just let's do it now, right, Paul? There's nothing we're not trading this, are we? No. Yeah, all right. Hey, Yeti Trades, the admin. Hey, all right, okay, guys. Good morning, guys. Thank you. Yeah, listen, there's nothing. While we're sitting here just BSing, let's just do the call now, and then let me ask the people: are you guys available? Say, it probably shouldn't take us more than 20 minutes on that call, should it, guys? Just a quick 30 minutes. So from like now till 11:15 is you guys members want to do member hangout training session 11:15, 11:20? Yes, no. If I get a few people. Okay, well, let's do this. I'll kill the live stream for got a few yeses. Okay. All right. I'm gonna kill the live stream. Um, I should probably do that every time we do an extended break, right, Yeti? Yeti, the live stream. Well, I'm just asking him if he thinks from a just a structure standpoint. Every time I go off and on, what do you think, Yeti? Yeti trade. Can I just call him Yeti? I want to come up with like a guttural noise to embody Rusty, like a Tarzan mix between like a Tarzan and a ape or something. I think that would be what his like call the beast of the jungle. sound would be like. Yeah, one of the sound effects. Um, I do want your opinion on that though. Yeti trades. What is your opinion? Dan, come in. Dan needs help. Click on. You. Oh wow. Uh, uh-huh. I was like, just about the time we were gonna go do something. What was the dumb dumber? Just when I go and think you couldn't get more dumb, you go and totally redeem yourself. No, let's do that call now. Oh, uh, they're already going over. Let's yeah, let's just do it. Let's just do the call now, Paul. Yeah. No, I'm no, yeah, I will end up closing the live down. So everybody, get over. If you're a member, get over to go ahead and go to member hangout, and I'll end up killing the stream. Yeah, 11:20. Let's call it 11:20. 11:15, 11:20. Guys, yeah. So member hangout. Me and Paul will be in the member hangout at 11:20. So go ahead and get you guys over to member hangout. If you don't know how to do that, get on over to the member hangout. I'll do that training session there as soon as we get done on our call. So thanks everybody. See you in the member hangout, and then as soon as we get done with that training session, I'll record that. As soon as we get done with that, um, we'll come back into the live stream and start trading again. Yeah. You took the short. Oh, on the NQ. Okay. All right. Well, let's just do this call real quick. I'm gonna kill the stream. We'll start that back later.